Welcome back everyone. Today I'll be showing you this peachy look that I created. If you're interested in finding out exactly how I got this look, stay tuned. First I'll be setting my concealer with the shade called Nudist from the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette. Then in my Juvia's Place Festivals palette, I'm taking the shade Oro and I'm adding this as my transition color. Then I'm taking this orange shade called Ophala and applying this on my outer corner and in my crease as well. Then I'm taking this pretty peach shade called Mau and I'm applying this all over my lid. Cleaning up the edges with the Morphe M508 brush. Now I'm using this gorgeous chrome paint that I got from Tarte in Pot of Gold and I'm applying this in between the peach and orange shade. With this product, I found it best to use my finger because it gives me the results I'm looking for. It'll give me a high metallic shine. Also, it comes in very pigmented when you use your finger as well. I'll go in with the Morphe M508 brush to blend out the edges. I'm taking the shade Isifa on a pencil brush and I'm applying this to my outer corners. I'll also drag this color down my lash line just to give it a little bit more of a cat eye shape. Now I'll be using both shades Pot of Gold and Isifa to get a nice blend. I'll go back with the shade Ofla and blend out Isifa. Then I'll go back in with Tarte's Chrome Paint and Pot of Gold and start adding that intensity back. Then I'll be doing the same for the shade Isafa. Today I didn't feel like mixing foundation, so I'm only using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Valencia. Then I'm pressing that into the skin with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. Using only my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Cafe Con Leche, I'm going to highlight my highlighting areas on my face, which are the under eyes, the bridge of the nose, the chin, and the forehead. I didn't feel to mix my concealer with my Pro Longwear because my skin is now feeling about normal and I don't need extra hydration under my eyes. Then I'm going in with my old trusty Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm baking my under eyes. I'll also do the same for my smile lines. Using another trusty, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me face powder and I'm pressing that into the skin. Once I've done that, I'll go ahead in a smaller brush and wipe away the bake under my eyes. Going back in with the shade Oro on a fluffy pencil brush, I'll be applying that on my lower lash line. Going back in with Isifa, and I'm applying this on a definer brush and putting this as close to my lash line as possible. Switching back to that fluffy pencil brush, I'm taking the shade Ofla and I'm blending Isifa and Oro together. Using the shade Oduguyu, I'll apply that in my inner corner as well as my brow bone. Taking my NYX Black Matte Liquid Liner, I'll create a wing liner. To get the yellow double liner, I used NYX Vivid Brights Liquid Liner in Halo. To line my waterline, I'm taking Inglot's Nude Pencil in 5. Cleaning up my liner with the shade Isifa and a definer brush. Applying mascara with my Clinique High Impact Mascara. I'll also add some on my baby lashes to make them stand out. For this look, I wanted a natural lash with a little more definition, so I used my Cairo lash in Loca. And after sticking my lashes on with my tweezers, I'll go in with my baby curler and I will press the lashes more closer to my lash band. Taking my favorite blush from Tarte called Royal and applying that on my cheeks. Using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, I'm applying this to my cheekbones, also the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. For lipstick, I'm taking Fenty Beauty's lipstick in Freckles Fiesta. I'm mixing it with Tarte Lip Sculpture in Life because I wanted a peachy lip, and I've been wanting to use Freckles Fiesta for everything. So I feel like, why not add a little bit more peachy nude to it and give it a pretty peachy look, and I'll still be able to use the lipstick. You gotta give yourself every reason to use your favorite lipstick, and right now this one is my favorite. And after this, I'll set my face with some setting spray, and then the look is complete. If you did like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys!